everyone, welcome back. Today I am doing a Crockpot chicken meal. So I just threw in some boneless, skinless chicken thighs in a crock pot. I don't have one of those instant pots. I do want to get one though. And I just laid a bed of sliced onions that I had in my refrigerator, and I just threw the chicken on top. So now we're going to spice this baby, and we're going to turn it on high, and you want to let this cook 2 to 3 hours on high, or 4 to 6 on low. So we're going to want to eat, we eat here pretty early now for dinner, so I want to get this, done and cooked because my mom had to go to the podiatrist today, and they just left, so now I want to get some cooking done. So I am going to be doing some curry chicken today. So this is the curry powder that I got from Badia. I love curry chicken. It's so healthy for you. And we're going to do some lentils with this, but the lentils, I'll cook, another time. If you guys are familiar with Indian cooking, you guys know what curry powder is. I love Indian cooking. It's so healthy for you and so good for you. So I'm just gonna do some black pepper on here, some curry. And curry powder has everything that you need. I believe there's garlic in curry too. And I don't even have ingredients in this, but yeah, there's garlic in that too. And I also have another Indian spice that I use, and it's called garam masala. And you only need a little bit of this. I do that much on my hand. I'm just gonna throw that in. Love that. And I'm gonna do some garlic. And I believe curry also has some ginger. I hope so, because I don't have ginger in my, I don't think I have any ginger. Sorry guys about sirens. You don't usually hear them over here. We're in the woods, but coriander is in Indian cooking, so I don't need that. You can do some chili powder. I'm not going to do that because of my hubby. But yeah, I don't have any ginger. I got to get that in my arsenal. All right, so that's what I do. And I just cover this. You know what I'm going to do, though, is I'm going to, you see how pretty that looks in my crock pot? So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to do like a rub all over the chicken on both sides. So I'm just rubbing that on over wall. And the onions are just going to be so good. And let me wash my hands. How's everyone doing today? I'm under, you can't really see me, but I promise, guys, I'll be on here real soon with hauls. Just so many things were going on. When you have challenges in life, right? Like my mom is having some foot problems just get taken care of today. We haven't been to the gym in almost a month. But what do you do in those challenges in life? Do you just like sit there and complain, or do you just say, I know God's with me through them, right? And that's exactly it. He is with us through all those challenges. Okay. So, I'm going to cover this, and I'm going to put this baby on high, and I will come back and show you when it's all done. Now, I'm going to be making some rice and lentils with this for dinner. And let me show you the lentils that I'm going to be using. Well, you know what, guys? Can you believe it? I don't have lentils. We did have lentils. I don't know where those lentils are. Yeah, that's nice. So we'll have to do garbanzo beans then. Garbanzo is also in Indian cooking. So I wanted lentils. have sworn we bought lentils. Anyway, we'll get them soon. So I'm going to put these in it. I'm going to mash these up with some curry powder, a little bit of black pepper, and I'm going to mix it all together and mash them a little bit. And then I'm going to put that on top of rice. And the rice I use is, I don't know, it's a strange, I use this Indian rice. It's an organic brown rice. Okay, really good pricing, guys. Amazon's like $2.82 a bag for, I believe it's 2 pounds, and also Walmart, but Walmart always has it on stock. So that's just, I don't know. Thought I had lentils, and I don't. So that's all right. All right, so that's what I am doing today. And I don't know. I'm just like, where the heck? I thought I had them. I really, literally thought I had them. You can do a raisin with them and things like that as well. So, I don't know. There must be, you know what? Maybe they're put somewhere else and we just don't know. I don't know. All right. Whatever. So this is on high. I love Crockpot meals. They're easy. One thing you want to remember with Crockpot cooking, if you're making frozen meat, that could be ground beef. You always want to fry it up before adding it to your Crockpot because of all the grease. You can do that with chicken too, but the thing with chicken is there's so much water in it from it being frozen. So I defrosted a little bit in my microwave just to get that backing off of it. You know, that paper that's stuck to it. And because of all the water from it being frozen, it retains so much water that I just throw it in the crock pot, and that's my liquid. So don't be concerned about your chicken burning in any way or anything like that, because it won't happen. Now, if you use chicken that is not frozen, you might want to add a little bit of liquid. Guys, I have only been really doing frozen chicken because it's just so easy. My daughter loves Crockpot chicken. I make all different meals. This is going to like fall apart like, oh, it's going to be so juicy and you'll see it. And I'll just take like 2 forks and, you know, cut into it. But yeah, so this is on high. This is cooking now. And I'll come back and show you guys the final result. And I know my last cooking video, oh my gosh, that manicotti we made was so delicious. It was the bomb.com. And I forgot to slice it. And I'm going to be doing like, like a taste test in front of you guys too, if you guys want that. But I completely forgot to slice that manicotti. And I forgot to show you guys the finished product of the meatballs. Those were delicious too. I just have so much going on in my home. So much traffic now, and no time to really just think, just to think. So I apologize, guys. That's why I didn't show it, but you guys love me. So yeah, so if you want to see more videos like this, let me know in the comments down below. I love cooking. I love to cook. Love it. I love to bake. I love to cook. And I am a gluten-free girl. I'm not saying once in a blue moon I'll get tempted to have gluten, but I know what it does to my body, so it's really hard to have it all the time. But I'm sorry. So if you like gluten-free cooking, home-cooked meals, then I would love for you guys to subscribe to my channel if you are brand new. I also do fashion videos. I do decor videos. I do a lot on this channel. And I also do faith-based teachings. All right, guys. So until next time, keep it real. Keep looking up. God has all the answers, and make it a great day. And guys, if you're not having a great day,
When life gives you lemons, what do I say? Make some lemonade. I could say that now. No more hot cocoa, right? Because it is springtime here in PA and wherever you're living. Let me know in the comments down below where you're from and what season of life are you in right now. And if you need prayer, because I love to pray with you and I know God will do a breakthrough. All right, guys. Bye. All right, guys. Change of plans. I'm not going to do the chickpeas. I actually put a bag of frozen peas into the crock pot on top of the chicken mixture. And what I'm going to do is because I wanted to put yogurt with this and I forgot to mention that. So when this is done, I'm going to take about a cup of the liquid out that has, made in this broth. And I did add a little bit of chicken broth too to this. And I'm going to reserve that and put some curry powder in it. And then I'm going to add my yogurt, about a half a cup of Greek yogurt. You want to do the plain. And then you're going to mix that in a bowl and you're going to throw that back on your chicken. And then that's going to be your curried chicken. You can do cornstarch to thicken it. I don't do that because I like to have it thinner. And so that's change of plans. That's why I'm not going to do a chickpeas. I decided to do curried chicken with peas and yogurt. Very good for digestive health. And the Greek yogurt I use is Faye. So, wow, I don't know what's wrong with my throat today. It's annoying. But anyway, anywho. So that's what I did differently. And So, all right, I'll show you the finished product. All right, guys, this is the finished product. So all I did is I took some more curry powder, a little bit more chicken broth, some Faye yogurt. I eyeballed it in a measuring cup. I would say half a cup. And some adobo. I mixed that together in the measuring cup and then I poured it over this chicken. I opened up a can of stewed tomatoes. This kind, Hunt stewed, and it gives you a nice, because you can do raisins in this too, but because I added the peas, I didn't want to do that, so I just added this, the stewed tomatoes. Before I added the yogurt mixture from the measuring cup, I did cut up my chicken with 2 forks. These are chicken thighs. Oh, it's delicious. And then over here, I have that rice cooking. And then we're going to have dinner. Should put that timer on though, guys, right? I think I've had it on, I'm going to say. All right, guys. I don't know why this isn't working. Oh. There we go. So, if you guys want more cooking time with Barbara, let me know. Bye.